The US government publicly states it will never use taxpayer money to buy Bitcoin. But what if I told you they may have found a clever backdoor to do just that? Without the public ever knowing, the government faces a dilemma. It recognizes Bitcoin's potential as a future global reserve asset, but buying it openly would trigger a political firestorm. So, how do they acquire a strategic position without leaving fingerprints? The answer, some analysts believe, is a strategy of private agents instead of the treasury buying Bitcoin. Massive private companies are doing it for them, right out in the open. Take a company like MicroStrategy. They've been on a relentless buying spree for years, accumulating hundreds of thousands of Bitcoin, far more than any typical corporate treasury needs. On the surface, it's just one company's aggressive investment strategy, but it looks a lot like a proxy building a strategic national reserve, hiding in plain sight. And here's the endgame. This is the move that changes everything. Once these private companies have stockpiled a significant portion of the available Bitcoin, the government doesn't need to buy the Bitcoin from them. It can simply buy the company itself. Sound crazy? There's already a playbook for this. The US government did something very similar when it bought a major stake in the chipmaker, Intel, effectively using public funds to secure its domestic semiconductor supply. It's a quiet form of nationalization. By allowing private companies to do the heavy lifting, the government can build a massive Bitcoin position completely off balance sheet, avoid all the political backlash, and then, at the perfect strategic moment, step in and take control. This is how the real game of global finance is played, not in loud press conferences, but in the quiet, calculated moves made on the stock market. The moves that are designed to go unnoticed until it's too late. The only question is, are you positioned to see these moves coming, or will you be caught by surprise? Follow us or subscribe to this channel to keep uncovering the strategies that will define the next decade of wealth.